Children, you all stay at your home, right? Now tell me, the people who stay beside you, maybe if you are staying at your flat, there are people who are living above your flat, or if you have a house or a bungalow, the people who stay beside your house or a bungalow, what do you call them as? Yes, we call them as our neighbors. Do we all love our neighbors? It depends. Sometimes some neighbors are good. Some neighbors we have quarrels for silly little things. So today we are going to learn a new poem, and the title of the poem is The People Upstairs. It is written by Ogden Nash. Before we learn the poem, let's learn more about the poet. Ogden Nash was born in the year 1902 and he died in the year 1971. He was a well-known American poet. After an education at Harvard University, Nash did a variety of jobs which included advertising, teaching, editing, and selling bonds. Later, he completely devoted himself to writing. With the publication of his first collection, Hard Lines, in 1931, he began a 40-year-old career during which he produced titles such as I Am a Stranger Here Myself and Everyone But Thee and Me. Now, I'll read the poem. Please listen carefully. The People Upstairs by Ogden Nash. The people upstairs all practice ballet. Their living room is a bowling alley. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours. Their radio is louder than yours. They celebrate weekends all the week. When they take a shower, your ceiling's leak. They try to get their parties to mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks. And when their fun at last abates, they go to the bathroom on roller skates. I might love the people upstairs more if only they lived on another floor. Students, now I'll give you the summary of the poem. The People Upstairs is a humorous poem on how the people who are the neighbors and sharing the same apartment are disturbing the poet. He describes how noisy it is since their radio is always louder than his. Thus, in a way, like they are invading your space and having their fun. How they enter the bathroom on roller skates is really quite surprising because their movement is disturbing and makes lot of noise. How your ceilings leak when they take showers, meaning water is flowing from their place to your place from the ceiling. How they tend to make their parties mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks, not knowing if they are used for playing inside the house. It seems like they are fighting and jumping all around. But all in all, the idea of supplying guests in the house with pogo sticks is really absurd. Their living room is a bowling alley to show how noisy and busy the place is, and their bedroom full of conducted tours. So the writer prefers if their neighbors lived in another floor, then maybe he would love them even more. My dear students, I am sure you have understood what the poet is trying to tell us in the poem, The People Upstairs. He is very upset with his neighbors because they are disturbing him. They are not concerned about others' privacy. So in the same way, children, remember, we should be good to our neighbors. As we want others to be good to us, we should also try our level best and not disturb our neighbors in any way. So now, I want you all to open your English textbook, learn the poem and underline the difficult words.